Hello buddy and welcome to this channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to see how you can create a typography photo effect using PicsArt and your Android device. So what I mean by the typography photo effect is this. So basically you can use an image inside the text to make something cool. So for example, this is the picture of Hulk inside some text, and well, once you learn how to do one of these, you will be able to do as you wish. So basically I'm going to show you today how you can create it. So first of all, start PicsArt and you can go ahead and click on this plus icon and go to draw, because we want to set a custom canvas size. So for example, click on create new, go to 1024 by 1024, choose a background. You can also choose draw on photo or choose whatever background you want, but just for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to choose white. And once you do that, we are here with our canvas, that is a square canvas. I'll just go ahead and click on this arrow and say edit image. Now you should go to this text tool, paste your text. It could be anything. So just to show you the fact that it could be anything, I'm using this template which is from the note app in the mi ROM. So basically this is choose template, use template to change background and style of your notes, something like that. I will center it and press OK. Now we have this nice chunk of text. I will use a thick font so that we can get maximum possible image. So let's just say something around here. After that, once we have selected our font, and let me just go ahead and quickly show you. So this is going to be our font, and as you can see, this is one of the thickest font available. So we are going to use that in order to maximize our background image. So now I'm just going to click on this color and I'll go to the texture. Using this texture menu, you can go ahead and choose any of these uh, pre-installed backgrounds, images, or once you don't like any of them, you can just go ahead and click on this plus button and go ahead and select the image you want. So let me just go ahead and quickly select this image. Let's just say Hulk, and now you can see this is the picture of Hulk, but we want it to come out some more. So we are just going to we are gonna go to the stroke menu and to the color, and then I'll choose the black color and I'll increase the thickness to something I want. So I can just go ahead and do it 100%, and the less I do, the less Hulk will be visible. So let's just say and put it to a nice 100, and now you can see, we can clearly see Hulk. And if you want, you can go ahead and resize it the way you want. Also, if you want, you can just go again to the and click on this add picture from gallery, go to select your album, and you can go ahead and define any image. So for basically this is the Batman, and as you can see, we have added Batman background to our image. Again, let's go ahead and do something like Deadpool. So as you can see, now we have Deadpool. I'm just going to reduce the thickness something around here so we can clearly see Deadpool. And now let's go ahead and resize it. You can also go ahead and add some drop shadow if you wish, and you can make it the way you wish. So you can also increase or decrease the opacity, and you can also define the orientation, which should be horizontal or vertical. You can also go ahead and bend it, but I won't bend it in this particular case. So as you can see, it's now an arc. So this was basically how you can go ahead and create a picture typography effect in PicsArt. And I'm currently working on some programming tutorials, and I'm busy with some other things, so I'm not able to upload videos regularly, but uh, I'll try to upload it regularly. And if you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. We are just about to hit 1K, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace.